You see, collector would be the wrong term for me. I consider myself as a custodian of the past objects, which I collect for the future generations. Hello, I'm Ravinder Dutt. I'm multidisciplinary artist from Delhi and a collector. It all started from this medallion. This belongs to my great grandfather, 1927. He was Rai Sahab during the British era. I was really fond of this medal. As a 5-year-old, I would climb all the way up to the Almera and find the medallion and play with it. This is a Andari from Chettinad, Tamil Nadu. You can see the object is absolutely gorgeous. It's this beautiful nutcracker or sarota. Even though it's a very small object, for cutting supari, but look at the cultural advancement, the design element. Sharing is a magnificent sculpture, a statue from my grandfather's collection. My dadi wanted to sell it off, in exchange for stainless steel utensils. So I actually stole it, confiscated it from the family showcase and kept it with me. This is late 19th century Kalamdan. This opens and then there is a lovely small input. The other lid opens here. There is a jali design. This is for keeping kalam. This brass glass, used in Punjabi families for lassi and water, comes from Lahore. So my family migrated from Lahore to Delhi in 1947. This glass has seen so much of history. There was no distinction between art and craft in India. It is a Western nomenclature which separated art from craft. I call this museum, the objects that I collect, as Museum of Everyday Art. I'm really thankful to NCSN for giving us this opportunity of Har Ghar Museum so that all the objects, the heirlooms from different parts of India could be shown at a wider platform. I really urge the government of India to provide me an opportunity to help me create a museum wherein I can keep these objects which will be showcased for the future generation.